Alrighty, here we go. Let's go ahead and cover mirror. We'll mirror our video. Boom. Okay, mirrored. Let's go ahead and actually cover our watch list today. Now, I just need to make sure that we are connected on YouTube, and we are. It looks like it. So awesome, guys! I can't wait to get this started. Let's go ahead and look at our stocks that we have to watch. Right now, we have 5 stocks on our watch list. We have IINN. Now, IINN is moving up very. I do like the price action. It is very just consistent, it looks like, and that's what I like to see, especially in today's market where it's not super consistent lately. But let's go ahead and look at our levels and potential, or what happened. There was the mid candle breakout, guys. That mid candle breakout was absolutely crazy. You could have easily gotten. Oh, whoa. Let's go ahead and maximize the sell. Actually, never mind. That was not a mid-candle breakout. That was on the SPY, it looked like, or something. But yeah, we're up. Break over 962. Oh, we're actually at 526. So break over 526, I can see it coming up to $6, and then potentially even $6.50. Break over that, we have room all the way up to $9.59 with not much resistance. Now, I do like to see that. Let's go ahead and actually look at HOF. Hey, Just Grim, how you doing, my man? HOFV. Here we go. I do like we are getting a bullish reaction. What I do think we're going to pull up and kind of come up into this area. Maybe have another pullback and maybe have an inverse head and shoulders pattern with the first shoulder, head, and then another shoulder. So that's what I like. That's what I would like to see from HOFV. We have ENSC. We're sitting at around 5. Just sold my house and made 50 G's. Woo! That's what I like to hear. That's awesome, man. Good for you. Right now we're sitting at around 540. This level break over there, we have room up to 6. Break 6, room up to 658, and then potentially 790. Break that, we have room all the way back up to $8. I mean, that would be absolutely crazy. How long have you lived in that house? So we got a nice trend line, looking to break it, actually. We did pull back. We came up and touched $5. Break over this level. I can easily see this coming up to 554. Break over that, easily come up to 633. We have a gap to fill at 757, and we have previous high of 1073 since 2008. So that's been pretty long, 12 years. Or more than 12 years, 13, almost 14 years. I bet you were ready for a change. We got pair gapping up a good amount right now. It's at a new high. It did make a new high. I'm going and marking up all of these levels. We got the open. We got the close. Boom. So I got those levels acted up for pair. Now, what are we doing? We're live trading right now. We're just creating our watch list. And then we're going to go through. Right now, I'm just going through my watch list that I found on the scanners, adding all of the support and resistance. And then what I'm going to do is actually go through, look at the news, look at what the price action is doing, and then we'll find out what is the best stock to watch right out of the gate. AVCT, I'm already not a fan of. The price action is just not good. We have the high at 13. Definitely not coming to hit that, but I'm just labeling it. Now we have some resistance at 250. Break over 1, or break over 2, we're going to 250 with resistance at 2. And then we have some more resistance at 150. And some support at 83. We do have a mid-candle breakout. We did break that, and now we're coming up to 150. That's where we hit our heads on the 20 EMA. So break over that. I mean, I could see it's coming up to 160 potentially. Not a fan of that. Very much so. And my ex-wife built that house. It was time to let it go. Yeah. Hey, it's good. New opportunities in the new place. I'm glad that you were able to sell it and come out profitable. We do have a potential cup and handle here. Looking for a potential squeeze. The TTM squeeze is showing us a nice red candles. That's showing us that we might be looking to squeeze in one direction. We have increasing volume to the downside. That's not what we see. Decreasing volume on the 5 minute. We did make a new high and pulled back. This is a bearish sign for me. This is not a cup and handle. I would not take this cup and handle on IINN. After Christmas, I'm moving to Florida. Oh, yeah. Florida's awesome, man. Good for you. Good for you. Florida's a good place. Fuck this old cold Ohio weather. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. I'm south west of Ohio, and it's just cold, cold, cold. I mean, I think you're up in Cleveland, if I remember correctly. Man, how cold is it there today? It's only 30 where I am. Do we have? I think we have a market maker move on IINN because we made a new high and pulled back. Let me turn Josh's stream down. This is not am as fuck. Yeah, it's cold. It is cold, cold, cold. Really, we have. Oh, I forget. We have IINN. Why is this one moving up? Agreement with potential development of 1,502 ART systems in Poland. So that's good. They got a really, really good deal. I'm in far east central Ohio. Okay. Right, all right. Now we do have ENSC. I am not a huge fan of this. Just the price action is just not something I like. Looks like we're building up on a trend line now. Looks like we could also be forming a wedge pattern for a nice trade here. Break to the upside, we have room up to 6. Break to the upside, we have room up to 6. If we hold this level, we have room up to 6. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. We're making higher lows, and we are consistently getting... Oh, this one, I need to make it so it doesn't fit studies. Price axis. No, no. There we go. Decreasing volume. We have a pivot low here. Let's see if we can hold it. Let's see if we can hold it. If this candle closes... Oh, no. That would have been a good trade. It's 72 right now in Miami. Oh, my. Oh, you lucky bastard. You lucky. It's cold. I have to bundle up. It takes me 5 minutes to bundle up before I even can go outside. HOFE passed their gambling bill in Ohio House yesterday. Oh, that's good. That's some good news. By the, I'm guessing, tip of WVA. Hold on. I'm gonna finish kind of going through our watch list. Now we have ENSC. Now ENSC is moving up because the shares up 53%. In Zacks Small Cap Research gave a stock 23 price evaluation on Tuesday. So they think that this stock is worth $23. I'm in Alaska. Oh my goodness. Honestly, good for you. Good for you. You could be off. You could just. Alaska's I want to go to Alaska. That's definitely on my bucket list. Yeah, we also have IPW pumping up. Not the best volume. Not liking this. I don't see the news, so I am going to delete IPW off my watch list because I don't like it. We might have a downtrend on the play. This gapped up to 17 over 100%. Coming back, retesting successfully. I'm not a huge fan of it at all, really. It's just too choppy. But, I mean, in pair, we don't really have good, significant news. We have AVAC. Again, not really any news. Which was very, very unfortunate. Announced a significant projected revenue growth of Candy. So, or Katie or something like that. But yeah, I mean, whew. think this is absolutely, we have a lot of potential here. And I think our top stock to watch is probably IINN. Now, guys, that bullish, that pattern, the market maker pattern, your first sign to get in would have been this increasing volume doji candle. But this also increasing volume shooting star candle was a little scary. Could have been a double top. It still could have a nice rug pull back to the downside. I don't like it gets very lonely in here. Come over to YouTube. I can see the screen. I get kind of distracted on YouTube. So yeah, come over to the YouTube. Why is it not crushing? GME, because it's not, it doesn't have to crush. It's not a good stock. Now there's AMC. But you're taking on PG and Y. No, I have no regular, I don't know what it is. I don't like it gets very lonely. Hey, sorry about it. Thank you, Devin. What's up? Oh, we got 600 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Crypto over stocks? Crypto over stocks when you're investing, but I wouldn't say that when you're day trading, because fucking crypto can just whip around. It's just not fun to trade at all. But also, I learned on equities, and I'm sure you can learn on crypto. It's just a different type of technical analysis. It's the exact same, but then, like, you know how the market recently has just been rug pull, rug pull, rug pull, rug pull. It's like we start to expect a rug pull and we understand the market a little bit more there, the psychology of it. So you have to learn the psychology of the crypto market over the equities market. And I just haven't really wanted to do that. Good morning, Yasmin. How you doing? How are you doing? Right now we have IINN on our watch list. I'm going to go ahead and actually load this up for so you guys can see it. Personal, today's watch list. This is today's watch list. IINN is on my top of the watch list. These are on the scanners. They have the best. I think they have one of the best news. They have $1,500 order. Of course, there's rug pulls in crypto. I have to learn, read that smart con. Yeah. Well, there's rug pulls and everything. You just got to get used to it. Thank you, Devin, for the likes. Thank you for the likes. We're at 900 likes. Oh, man, there was the pop out of IINN. What is going on there? Oh, I guess we were getting a squeeze from the T-Team squeeze. We should have known, but you can't really know that because we had very high volume on a shooting star candle in the 5-minute. And that, since the 5-minute is a higher time frame, I'm always going to take my chances with the 5-minute. So we really had no way of knowing that this was going to happen besides a higher low. Maybe you got an ascending triangle break. But again, I'm not taking this because of this increasing volume shooting star candle. Especially since we broke the previous high and pulled back. Thank you guys for the likes. If you guys could start tapping the screen, let's try to get to 2,000 likes. We're at 1,000 right now. We have 60 people in here. And if you guys want to, go ahead and come over to the YouTube. Guys, I'm itching. I got some C4. Yeah, not the best idea, but we're going. We're wired. Yeah, come over to the YouTube. Yeah, IINN. Be careful. We're now having the same amount of volume on here. Again, we're coming into this trend line, so I expect to get some bearish momentum. We do have some stochastic divergence, so you got to be careful there. That's showing a bearish. That's showing a bearish reversal here. Also with the volume that is also showing bearish, coming into a trend line that is also showing bearish. Broke the previous high, pulled back, and closed. That is also showing bearish. TA on Doge and Shiba. Oh, the TA on Doge and Shiba is pretty easy. You just got to times it by 0, and it will go to 0. Both of those are shit. Sorry. What is this? We're trading stocks, DWAC, Netflix, Call, BlackBerry. If you guys want to do them, if you have a gut feeling that it's going to work, go ahead, do it. Just kidding, don't do that. Actually make a trade plan and become level-headed at it. When you use C4, oh my god. What are you you have Total War or some bullshit like that? Yeah. That bucked up. Hey. We got the beta power. OCGN. I got FDA approval for the third treated. Hey, it could be a very good trade. Could be a very good trade. I'm sticking with the stocks that are on my scanners because that shows me where the most traders are. Because, hello, would like some imposter, and do I need to verify in the Discord? For some reason, yeah, we're getting that increasing volume. Now let's go ahead and just sift through our watch and see what's happening. I mean, there was supposed to be a trade. I mean, we are getting kind of a bullish, maybe a nice squeeze potentially. Some red dots are forming, so it could break up or down. There was the breakdown. There was the breakdown. TTM squeeze showing us when it was going to squeeze down. Guys, right now the top stock to watch is IINN. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. See what's going on with the SPY. The SPY is at 468. Now, we absolutely had a major day yesterday looking for that dip and bounced off that 466. And we're still getting that decreasing volume. We're still seeing the same fucking thing happen. Decreasing volume, but we're still just moving up. Very choppy price action. I'm not a fan of it whatsoever. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we made a new high in the next few days, which is definitely. Shiba can go to 1 cent. Some traders saying it will go to 1. Yeah, they have no clue what they're talking about. Shiba can't, like, yes, of course it is possible for Shiba to go to 1, but will it? Absolutely not. The market cap of that would be stupid. And why would people throw money into Shiba when they can actually throw in a coin that's actually going to do something, that's actually going to provide value for the world? There's my hot take. IINT. It's just like buying AMC and GameStop. Why would you buy AMC and GameStop? GameStop's a store that sells DVDs. They're probably going to go bankrupt here soon. That's AMC. Movie theaters. Why? They're probably also going to possibly go bankrupt unless they kind of work their magic. So Shiba's about to break out in an uptrend. It hasn't really been in an uptrend. It kind of been pulling back since the previous high. I would really consider rethinking your financial situation. Shiba Inu, it's fun. I understand, guys. It's fun to gamble. Throw some money in there. Yeah, I get it. I did it. I threw a couple $100 into Shiba, but that was for a trade. I never was like, Shiba to the moon. It was for a trade. I had a trade plan. It stopped me out, and I cut it with no hesitation. Did you trade Forex? No. What's the move today? I think IINN is up 106% on news of deployment of 1,500 ART systems in Poland. Now, what is an ART system? I am not too sure. Not too sure. Art store offer. Oh, no. ART system. Oh, an ART system device designed to directly oxygenate the blood at an early stage while the patient is awake and breathing spontaneously. The ART system as an artificial lung to what? Look at this. This is an artificial lung that pumps oxygen into your bloodstream. What? That's crazy. And they just got an order for 1,500 or 1,600 of these fuckers. So they're doing something right. I do like it. I do like it. All right, guys, we have around 16 minutes left till markets open. And we're really just sitting on our hands at the moment. Not a fan of anything. It looks like ENSC is going to pull back still more. We do have that bottom, so it looks like we might be forming either a wedge or something. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens and if it continues to break. I don't like trading falling wedges. I don't like trading rising wedges. Oh, thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift. I'm a volume trader. Shiba's about to hit last time all-time high. I'm a volume trader too, and no, I don't think so. Do you day trade for a living? Yes, I do this every day. Let's go ahead and take a peek at Shiba because you guys are all thinking that Shiba's gonna go to the moon. We'll go to the daily. Guys, this was a downtrend. We broke out, pulled back, did not have a successful retest. That is bearish. You guys are looking to see if Shiba is you're looking to see if Shiba's going to be bullish. You're wanting Shiba to be bullish. So you're looking at the chart and you're thinking all of these things to validate your idea that it's bullish. You got to come at it level-headed. Guys, this is not bullish whatsoever. I would not be buying this. We're continuing. This is called a downtrend where you make lower lows. We could be consolidating, looking for a squeeze, but we haven't made another low. So I would wait for another pullback, maybe a higher low before you enter if you want to trade this. But this is not a stock or this is not a crypto that you want to be holding. This is just one of the shittiest ones. If not the shittiest. Just because Elon Musk thinks that you provide less value to society than a dude twirling a sign outside the car wash. Oh man, I like that. That was a good insult. I appreciate that. I've never heard that. What's the play on SPY? I don't got a play on the SPY at all. I'm not liking it. I don't have any nothing. Just kind of sitting watching. There's no play. I don't see anything setting up. I mean, you guys might, but I don't. Elon Musk, is he a god? No, he's not. We have NIO. Oh, we are getting back up into that area, but I don't like it. I was looking for a swing trade or a bounce, but no, I think we're just coming up and retesting this trend line. Yeah, guys, come over to the YouTube. We're gonna go ahead and actually we can cover a lesson. What monitor is that? This is the Spectre. I don't know, but it's 165 hertz. I originally got it because I wanted a game like years ago. And now it's good for computing. And I'm gonna get 4 more of these. My end goal for my setup is I'm going to get here. I'll go ahead and take you guys out. What my YouTube is Stock Talk Trades No Spaces. This is my current setup. I have first monitor, chat rooms, watch lists, main monitor, then Discord, anything else, my streaming, music. But I want to have. I don't like it because the brightness and the color difference, because these are all different monitors, so I'm not a fan of that. I'm gonna get 4 of these or 3 more of these monitors. I'm gonna have 2 right here, 2 up top, and then I might get another one, but it might be curved and have it vertical on the side. That is my next setup. Now I'm not really too sure when I'm gonna get that. Sell everything, get out while you can. What do you mean? I'm confused. But yeah, no, I definitely want. Yeah, Stock Talk Trades, No Spaces, come over to the YouTube. Sell, 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 sell. You're just panic selling, my man. Come over to YouTube. We're gonna I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And you guys can also find out what is one of my favorite NFT projects, one of my favorite my favorite NFT project is Alethea AI. Now, this is the website, homepage. You have all your money, Elon. I'll chill. I'm chilling on that. I can train my pods and it's like a personality. I can go to, like, let's say CryptoPunks. if I'm loading up CryptoPunks, I can take these CryptoPunks and put a voice, put a personality behind it. I can have it, it can have its own personality, it can have its own everything. Because, oh, whoops, did not mean to do that. Let's go ahead and get the person. You guys can come over on YouTube and we can cover everything you need to know. This personality pod is selling for a floor price of 2.8 or 0.28 Ethereum. These are individual AIs. You can train them. It can make art for you. It can make music for you. It can do copywriting for you. It can be interactive characters. There's so many things that, excuse me. You can do so many different things with this. What bootleg CryptoPunks are these? These are not CryptoPunks. These, if CryptoPunks are willing to sell, I just look a little deeper into Shiba, and it's testing the lower all-time high before. Metaverse huge burn coming. This is the Metaverse quote. The ones you have. This is the Metaverse. Oh no, this is the personality pods by Lethia AI. You can take these pods, fuse it with an NFT, and it becomes its own. It has its own personality and its own voice. You can talk to it. It's Aletha will be big. This is just the beginning. Yes, Yasmin. I like what IINN is doing with artificial lung. I'm in the medical field and excited for this. Really, that's really excited. I want to see that as well. See that happening. And Alethea is going to, I think, could be very, very big as well. But for some reason, it's not letting me connect my. Whoops. For some reason, it's not letting me connect my MetaMask. I can't connect my wallet for some reason. I'm not too worried because I'm still. If the price goes up, I'll still make money because I have them in my OpenSea. Or my OS, but for some reason it's not letting me add them to my Alethea, and I haven't had problems except a few days ago. I think it's because there's so many people on the site. Now let's go back to IINN. I think this has a lot of potential here because I do think that what they're doing, a lot of people are interested in. No, Shiba is joining the Metaverse. What is Shiba doing? Robin listening for Shiba. Huge burn Metaverse. Hey, retailers are accepting. Hey, you do you. I hope you make tons of money. I hope Shiba goes to 1 cent. I hope Shiba goes to $1 for you. I honestly, I don't wish anybody to not make any money. I wish everybody makes an absolute bag, but I'm not going to invest in Shiba or Doge. Tokenomics are not there. Yeah, I mean, Yasmin, do you have any personality pods by chance? Yeah, I mean, I'm a white. How you doing? Thank you for stopping in. Vask? I don't know what you mean by Vast Tech. I just want you to see if there's a currency possible reversal happening. Currently a possible reversal. No, when I looked at the daily, I did not see a possible reversal. Very well, it could be a possible reversal, but I would like to see another higher low or a nice double bottom. I mean, hey, that's awesome, man. 20K, that's amazing. Analyze NASDAQ for us. I'm not much of a ETF and much of a bigger guy. I mean, I have the SPY. Look at the SPY. I don't see anything on the SPY. I'm more of a small caps, and they kind of move independently of what the market's doing because they have news and they have catalysts. So the MACD, BACD about to cross on the daily. That's good. That's good. Hey, no, was out of town, but was looked up videos, and I like it very much. Going to purchase in a couple days. Very excited. Yes, their staking event ends. You can stake it until the end of today. For some reason, I can't find mine, so it's going to be hard for me to stake it, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to, which is unfortunate. But when you stake it, well, I'm assuming after the staking event is over, after today, because you can't stake it after today. I'm assuming that the volume is going to die off and that we're going to see the price drop a little bit of the NFTs, because right now I think they're sitting around 1,300. I picked up mine for 500 a couple days ago. So I think you definitely will be able to pick some up for pretty cheap. Me and my buddy were also doing it too. And a level 2 is selling for 4 or 5 Ethereum. Then a level 3 is selling for 20 Ethereum. Guys, so what is unfortunate, wait, hold on, you have to give me a little bit, because I have to actually I'm trying to fix my my website, so I am going to have to do that real quick. Can you send me a screenshot after connecting MetaMask? Yeah, give me 1 second, guys. Don't stake it. Allow shorts to borrow. You're talking. I'm talking staking my pods. I'm not talking about the stock market. I have to do this because I'm trying to. You're on Alethea Discord. Yes. No. Yes, I am. Do you want me to send you a link? Invite people. So if you do want to join the Alethea AI Discord, there it is. They're very, very. They're awesome right now. There's around. There was like 20 or so people, or where is it? I don't even know. There was a ton of people in official links. Yeah, there's 21,000 members in this Discord right now. So we'll see. I thought I saw you last week on it. Oh yeah. If it's Cole.Shelton.R, I'm almost always on here helping people level, or just asking in general. But yeah, no, definitely come say hi. I'll say hi back. All right, guys. It's unfortunate because I'm trading, but my mind's still wrapped up in my Alethea AI, because I'm trying to stake my pods. Because if I can stake my pods in 40 days, I could be another $10,000 richer. So, in like a month. Hey man, I hope that happens for you. Good luck. I hope that happens. I wonder what my level is. Hashtag level. If you're in the Discord, you can do level. Oh, I'm ranked 244. I'm level 6. Woo! Excuse me, guys. Guys, IINN is absolutely ripping right now. Absolutely ripping. I'm saying if you can see it. Well, okay, what time frame are we using? I'm gonna go ahead and just do Shiba on my own. and see if you can see the same thing. So I'm on the 1 hour, but I'm going to jump to the 4 hour. So we have these higher lows. What it looks like to me is that we are potentially, it's not the best because that long lower wick, but we're just kind of squeezing. We have to make a decision here. And usually this could be a nice downtrend break, come back, retest it. That might bring us even higher. Or this is a nice bear flag because we didn't get that high bullish reaction out of this downtrend break. So to me, it can still go either way. We made a higher low here. If we break this low, we're coming down to 0.000032. But hey, so I honestly would wait. I don't see any bullish or bearish reaction here. To me, since my strategy, what I'm doing, it's just still gambling. I don't have much strategy built around it. So, but if you do, hey, don't listen to me. If you have a strategy built around it, good for you. 3200 was what I called. Oh, sorry. Oh man, I don't know. I've been giving. That's my bad for not actually paying attention. Sorry, I can't. I'm trying to multitask everything. Thank you guys for following. I appreciate you confirm my thoughts. Yeah, thank you, man, for stopping in. I really appreciate you for being active. I really appreciate everybody. Yes, man, I really appreciate everybody that stops in. It's just a good time. I'm having a good time. Huh. I want to see a nice red to green move here. Maybe a nice red to green move as well for ENSC. TGLS is halted. This sounds like, yeah, it's halted the upside. Oh, we have TGLS. That's a down gapper. Where is TGLS? Whoops. I'm risking a new low. I'm risking new low. I'm risking a new low here. We're getting ready for a squeeze. We're getting ready for a squeeze, it looks like. That was a little bit too early. That was a little bit too early here. New low a day, I'm out. New low a day, I'm out. We need to get this bullish reaction here right now. We need to get this bullish reaction now. We don't like this volume. Looks like it's very bearish right now. I took a small loss. Oh, lordy, that was a hefty loss. Not really. Not really. Not a hefty loss at all. It was more than I thought. Lost around 40 to 50 bucks. Nothing crazy. You sound like your mentor, Alpha. Good job. Hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm sure Josh will love that as well. Use it for taxes. Yes, yes. Oh, there was the fake out. There was the fake out. ISIG's halted. We have pair that's halted. We have ISIG that is halted. Now, should we do ISIG or pair? Which one, guys? Which one are we thinking? Fuck. That's unfortunate. All right. Should we do ISI? Oh, wait, that is a... Wait, what about pair? 1170 bids? Not liking that. I think ISIG is the top stock to watch. This is going to be live at 9:38:07. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get a nice squeeze here. Gonna be live here in around 30 seconds. If this, after this whole strategy, guys, I think I have to call it because I do have to work. Well, not work, but I do have to do some work on my computer for other things. Just because I am getting really, really busy, and I want to get this. I want to get these Alethea AI pods up and running. So, guys, we have around 17 seconds left. Here we go. Here we go. 10. ISIG, yes, guys, we have 10. We should be live. We should be live. What happened? What happened? No, looks like a 10-minute halt. What about pair? What about pair? When is this going to be live? 9:34. We're going to be live at 9. Oh, whoa. Oh, at 9:39:05, pair will be live. Let's see what happens here. I want to see a gap up above 13.62, but I don't like that our bids is at 11.70. Oh, man, I don't want to sell that. That was unfortunate. Excuse me. We're going to be live here in around 5 seconds. Here we go. Oh, man. That's unfortunate. So when we do an IGIS, in about 5 minutes, it's a 10-minute halt, looks like. So To open your browser's developable tool by right-clicking inside the browser window. Window will pop up, select the console tab, and then click. Guys, I do have to oh man, this is so unfortunate. All right. We have ISIG. When is this going to be unhalted? We have ISIG. Price you're buying in at. Yeah, so I have a limit order. I'm going to have, when we open up, I'm going to have a limit order at around 910 to around 920. I'll have to see, that is my range. When I see how much it gaps up, if it gaps up a lot, I'm at 920. But when I'm only putting my limit order in after it goes live, because right now it is a stop limit order, meaning that if it, let's say it gaps down, comes up, fills me, and then it fills me all the way down at like $18. That would be terrible. That's happened to me before. I've lost hundreds of dollars from that happening. We're gonna be live in a minute. So you have to place your limit order after it gaps up, because if it gaps down, you're not going to place the order. Because let's say you place a limit order above the halt level. If it gaps down, let's say it gaps down to 17, you're getting filled because the limit order is at this price or lower. We have asked at 19. This is the stop limit. Guys, let's see. We're going to be live here in around 15 seconds. Here we go. We're live at 9:43:12. We're going to be live here in around 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We should be live. Let's see if we pull. I'm actually going to delete that. Delete the order. Did not get in. Please take a screenshot of your dashboard. Give me a sec, guys. Listening to Alpha in the background. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry I'm not as talkative today, just because I am trying to multitask from, from Alpha, from trading, from also getting this problem that I have fixed with Alethea AI. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna actually call the stream today because I do have to do some more just in the background stuff. I have to fix with Alethea AI and then edit some videos. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. I'm sorry I couldn't talk as much, but we do have a bull flag on ISIG. We do. Decreasing volume though. It looks like buyers are still on the 5-minute. Okay, I see the 5-minute. Yeah, we have about the same amount of volume though, or a little bit less on a doji candle. I'm not really too psyched about that. Looking for a potential cup on the 1-minute. Let's see it pop up to around 22.32. Yep, there it is. I want to see decreasing volume now. I don't want to see this make a new high. I want to see a slight pullback here. Nope, it broke. Let's see it pull back to around 250. 22.670. I missed my entry. Oh, I missed it. That would have been a good entry. That would have been a great entry, a pullback, and I still didn't scale in, which was unfortunate. That was very unfortunate, guys. I wasn't able to. But 5K at 21. Oh, good shit. Yep. Anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping in. I'm done trading for the day. Looks like we're going to get halted again. I'm going to try to get in here. We're halted. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Peace.